Good morning. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. And this is our general knowledge class, and the theme of the month is seasons. As we done before, seasons. So today we have to do seasons. Theme of the month is seasons. So how many seasons we have? We have 4 seasons. Like first season name is spring, summer, autumn, winter. So we enjoy 4 seasons in a year. How many seasons we enjoy in a year? We enjoy 4 seasons in a year. And as we know, spring is colorful and warm. Summer is hot and shiny, right? Autumn is dry and windy. Winter is cold and freezy. So which season you like? Yes, which season you like? Oh, that's great. Alright, so today we will talk about winter season. We will talk about winter season. So what do we wear in winter season? Yes, please tell me, what do we wear in winter seasons? Yes, we wear the jackets, we wear the mittens, we wear the, what is this? These are the socks. We wear the socks, colorful socks, and we like to wear the caps, we wear the mufflers, we wear the boots. So what else you wear in winter season? Yes. Okay, so we wear the warm clothes. What we wear in winter season? We wear the warm clothes to cover ourselves. And if I ask you, what do we like in winter season? Yes, what do we like in winter season? We like snowman. Yes, we like the snow also. And we like the snow trees. We like the trees full of snow, and we like the snowflakes. What else you like in winter season? Yes, you can share with me. Please tell me, what do we like in winter season? What you like in winter season? What do we like to eat in winters? Yes, please tell me what you like to eat in winters. Yes, we like to drink hot coffees and hot things, and we like to eat the cookies, chocolate cookies and hot chocolates. We like to eat hot chocolates, and we like to eat soup. Yes. What else we like? I think someone is saying boiled egg. Yes, you are right. We like to eat boiled eggs. And I think someone is saying from there they like to eat oranges. Yes, we love to eat oranges. What else you like to eat in winters? You can share with me. What do you like to eat in winters? Alright, thank you so much. It's time to do the activity. For this activity, you need one white paper, paint and pencil. So first of all, you have to dip your hand in paint, and you have to do it like that. Yes, dip your hand in a paint and do the handprint like this on white paper. After that, you have to take your pencil and you have to make outline like this. You have to make a mitten, so you have to make outline like this. Yes, like this. And you have to write your name here. You have to write your name here. Whatever your name is, you have to write it. Okay, so this is your Mitten. When we wear these mittens, we wear these mittens in winter season. So this is how you have to do your activity. Some of the students share their work with me. So let me show you. Look. Thank you so much for sharing your activities with me. I loved it all. Thank you so much. So that's it from today's class. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.